Hey everyone! Changing your lot size on TradingView is the most critical step in managing your risk. Whether you're trading forex or crypto, the platform allows you to adjust your size or units directly from the order panel to match your account's risk plan. Here is how you do it in the 2026 interface. Step 1. Placing the tool on the chart. We're starting at the left sidebar toolbar. We're heading to the Prediction and Measurement Tools group. It usually looks like a long/short icon. We do this to draw our trade idea on the chart before we actually commit to an order. Select the long position for buys or short position for sells. Click once where you want to enter, then drag the green box to your target and the red box to your stop loss. This is the blueprint phase. It visually shows you your risk-to-reward ratio before you put any money on the line. Step 2. Inputting your account data. Now we're in the Tool settings. We're heading to the Inputs tab by double-clicking the tool you just placed. We do this so TradingView knows the math behind your account. The action? Enter your account size, for example $10,000, and your lot size or risk amount, like 1%. The goal is to let the tool do the heavy lifting. TradingView looks at the distance between your entry and stop loss and calculates exactly how many units, lot size, you can buy without losing more than your 1% limit. Step 3. Reading the lot size result. We're heading to the center data label of the tool. We do this to find the magic number we need to type into our order panel. Inside the tool's label, look for the text that says QTY, quantity. This number is your calculated lot size. For example, it might say 0.58 for crypto or 58,000 for forex. This is the precision phase. By using this specific number, you are mathematically guaranteed to stay within your risk plan regardless of how far away your stop loss is. Step 4. Executing the calculated trade. We're finishing with the execution sync. We do this to move the tool's math into a real live trade. Right-click the position tool on your chart and select Create Limit Order. TradingView will automatically open the order ticket and pre-fill the entry price, stop loss, take profit, and most importantly, the lot size or QTY for you. Your lot size is now perfectly synced with your chart drawing. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.